Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. So this video is all about the second solved example of note making. If you don't know what is note making and what all points we must keep in mind while writing notes, then check out my video on note making. Link is in the description box. Now the question is, read the passage given below. One of the disheartening sights at a wedding venue is the kilos of food scrapped off plates and thrown into bins. While there are groups of volunteers working towards food waste management in weddings, there is an increasing number of couples coming forward to reduce food wastage when they get married. Wedding planners and caterers in the capital say that it has now become an important part of their checklist and that they are being asked by clients to include food management as a service and even a mandatory part of the pack. If the wedding planners fail to take care of the leftover food, couples themselves reach out to NGOs that come to the wedding venture, collect the excess food, and distribute it among the needy and homeless. Other couples say that as part of the money spent on the wedding, a part is kept aside on clearing out the trash. Hence, while researching out the best caterers, wedding planners, and makeup artists, these couples also keep looking out for volunteers and NGOs who could clear up the extra food. Such NGOs exist in Delhi, Hyderabad, and Chennai. When the wedding guests have left, they arrive at the buffet area to collect the leftover food and distribute it among the homeless. Not confined to the main wedding function, they also arrive for the minor ceremonies such as the Sangeet and the Mehndi, and even the post wedding functions. Also, they put up posters at the wedding site telling people not to waste food. According to one of the caterers, in around 40% of the weddings, clients are more than happy to come on board when the concept of disposal of extra food is explained to them. Clients also prefer this food disposal system as the venue remains clean and the clients do not have to pay extra to have the food thrown away. With increasing demand for such facilities, some caterers are also arranging storage facilities for their clients to be used after the wedding. Caterers concede that such an arrangement means an extra effort on their part as they have to learn new techniques of food preservation, be it summer, winter, or the monsoon. Thus, even if the caterers do not come across needy people at night, the food can be stored and distributed conveniently later. Clients, on their part, do not just want a distribution of the extra food but also demand quality wise 100% fitness of the food distributed. Usually, the margin of excess in weddings is huge. Thus, some caterers are now keeping a separate section where whatever amount of food is left is stored. Others coordinate with a few orphanages in advance where the food can be distributed. Clients even ask volunteer organizations to refer them to caterers who have facilities for storage and who will undertake distribution of the leftover food after the feast. So this was the passage. Now we have to answer the following questions. First question is, on the basis of your understanding of the above passage, make notes on it using headings and subheadings. Use recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary, minimum 4, and a format you consider suitable. Also supply an appropriate title to it. मतलब पैसेज रीड कर लिया, उसके बेसिस पे नोट्स बनाने हैं हेडिंग्स एंड सब हेडिंग्स का यूज़ करके, प्लस एब्रीविएशंस लिखनी है जहाँ पॉसिबल हो, और मिनिमम 4 होनी चाहिए, टाइटल भी देना है पैसेज का. फर्स्ट हेडिंग इज़ चेकिंग फूड वेस्टेज एट वेडिंग्स. अब इसके सब हेडिंग्स हैं फूड वेस्टेज एट वेडिंग्स. अगेन इसकी सब हेडिंग्स हैं disheartening sight of kilos scrapped into bins, couples coming forward to check food wastage, important agenda for wedding planners, sometimes mandatory part of pack, NGOs coming forward to carry out the task. Next subheading is couples keep aside पार्ट ऑफ वेडिंग एक्सपेंडिचर. इसकी सब हेडिंग्स हैं, मतलब इसके अंडर आएंगे फॉर क्लियरिंग अवे ट्रैश, search of volunteers for collecting extra food, services available at Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi. Volunteers arrive post wedding, nature of services extended, bring their own volunteers. Next heading is even cover Mehndi, Sangeet and post wedding. Next heading is hang posters about not wasting food at venue. Next, third subheading is initiatives by caterers include services for food storage to use after wedding, welcomed by clients, area remains clean. Next, fourth subheading is forcing them to learn food preservation techniques. Clients demand 100% fitness of food distributed. Caterers allocate separate section for food storage. Coordinate with orphanages for taking away extra food. Client preference for such service providers. Now the most important part is the key. जितनी भी abbreviations यूज़ की हैं वो इस की में आएंगी. Like FWD is forward, IMP is important, avail is available, HYD is Hyderabad, DEL is Delhi, SEP is separate, Coord is coordinate. Next part of the passage is write a summary of the above passage in about 100 words. With couples coming forward to check food wastage at weddings, this is becoming an important part of the planning agenda. NGOs are pitching in and collecting leftover food for distribution to the needy, homeless, and orphanages. Couples are setting aside a part of wedding expenditure for trash clearance and availing volunteer services for food collection. Initiatives by caterers include storage of leftover food, ensuring quality preservation, scheduled for later use, and orphanage distribution as client preference increases for such facilities. So this was all about the solved examples of note making. I hope it is clear. I will explain some other topic in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Thank you.